everyone, in order to make this, start off by taking an empty measuring cup as such and then make it a small one. Afterwards, add 2 sticks on either side of it, add a small bit of clay all around the side as such. Wrap it around, then crush a piece of paper or tissue paper, wrap it around with tape, add it to the top. Now take pink balls of clay, add it around in a circle, make these lines in the middle, add a yellow center to it. Now stick these all around the tape creation that you created. Now take some green clay, add it through the sides. Next, take a black circular sheet of paper and then afterwards make it spread out using a fork as such. Use a cylindrical shape and stick it on top using green once again. Take white cylindrical shapes of clay as such and then make these loops out of it and stick it in the shape of a flower. Add a yellow center to it once you're done with it. Add this all throughout and then at the top of this, make a little bee out of it. Add a ladybug at the bottom. Next, take an empty container as such and then after this, take some green bits of clay, add paper underneath and then stick your clay on top of this. Now after this, add multiple twigs on top of this. Take multiple red balls of clay, add it in a circular shape and then afterwards add a yellow center to each of it. Add some in different colors as well. Put your container on top of this. Next, we'll start off by taking a white circular sheet of paper and then on top of this, add multiple green balls of clay and flatten them out. Add these lines all around them, then add black balls of clay and then add a back portion to it. Take an empty container and then fill it up with brown clay. Take multiple balls of red clay, make a circular shape out of it and then add a yellow center to it. Add little white dots all around it as well. Take a cylindrical piece of clay as well and then add this underneath it as the base stem. Add leaves on either side of it as such. Next, add rocks into an empty container and then add brown clay on top of this. Line it with brown clay as well. Now add little pebbles on the edges. Add little snail to one side of it. Now take these small bits of clay, wrap it around a thread as such. Loop it around these twigs and then let it hang as such. Next, take these sticks, cut it up into these small pieces, add tape through the sides of a bottle cap as such, and then afterwards, stick some sticks all around. Add some rope all around it, and then take some green clay, add it through the top. Take these straws, cut out either end of it, and now spread it out as such. Cut multiple lines into each of them, add tape to the base, and then take this earbud, roll it around it as such. Make multiple of these in different colors, add it through the top. Next, take some brown clay and then using a twine or any sort of fork, add these multiple lines to it. Take a cylindrical pieces of green clay, add them throughout. After this, take red balls of clay, arrange it in a circle, flatten it out as such. Add it to the top of each of them and then afterwards add a yellow center to it. Now add 3 dots together in a row in black at the bottom to make it look like an ant. Take an empty bottle cap, add tape to it, stick some sticks all around it. Tie a rope around it as well. Take green clay, flatten it out as such. Now take a earbud, break off the edges of it as such, add multiple of them, and then add it around another earbud as such. Now stick this into the clay. Dip a paintbrush or rather a brush in paint and then afterwards spread it out as such. Now take a ball of blue and white clay, green and yellow clay and red, yellow and white clay as such and stick it aside as such. Thank you for watching.